Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to put your Nissan Rogue in reverse. First, always make sure your foot is firmly on the brake pedal. This is a crucial safety step before attempting any gear changes. Your vehicle must be at a complete stop to prevent damage to the transmission and ensure a smooth shift. Now, let's locate the shift lever, usually positioned conveniently in the center console. Once you're ready, press the small button located on the side of your Nissan Rogue's shift lever. This button acts as a safety release, preventing accidental shifts. While keeping that button pressed, gently pull the shift lever all the way back until it clicks into the R position. You'll know it's engaged when the R indicator lights up on your dashboard display.
Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please take a quick second to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. And on another note, staying hydrated is super important, especially on the go. I highly recommend the Owala water bottle. It's fantastic for keeping your drinks cold in your Nissan Rogue. Check the description for a link and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video.
Sometimes the shifter might feel a bit stuck. If this happens, first double-check that your brake pedal is fully depressed. This is the most common reason. Also, quickly look for any items that might be obstructing the shift lever's movement. In rare cases, a gentle jiggle of the steering wheel can release any minor tension, allowing the lever to move freely into reverse. Before you start backing up, always take a moment to check your surroundings thoroughly. Use your side mirrors, rearview mirror, and especially your Nissan Rogue's excellent backup camera. Back up slowly and cautiously, being extra vigilant for pedestrians, children, and any obstacles that might be in your path. Safety is paramount when operating your vehicle in reverse.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.